What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Wes Fisher with Make Money with Wes. Let's get back to it. So a lot of people say pass through. Wes, what you do is illegal because isn't that a pass through? Don't I have to do 51% of the work? Or isn't it illegal for me to just find some company to go out there and cut the grass out in Oregon and I live in Ohio and I don't do any work? Aren't I doing like this whole pass through thing? A lot of you guys don't even know what pass through means. And that's okay. I'm going to educate you right now. This is a free video. I'm going to educate you guys on pass through. So let me go through my sam.gov. So I just went to sam.gov and I actually, if I go back here, I pulled up a random contract. I just pulled up the list. I clicked the first link on the list and I got this O-ring one. Cool. Whatever that is. So here's the thing, guys. If you scroll down and look at the set aside, it says women owned small business program sole source. So that means it is for a women owned business. Here's what pass through actually means. If I call some company and let's say wherever this is at, let's say this is in Alaska somewhere, and I'm like, hey, I need O-rings to do whatever the government needs. And the government says it's for a women owned small business set aside, but I am trying to pass through a company who's a women-owned small business, and I myself is not a woman small-owned business, that means that's illegal. I cannot go after that contract. I cannot win that contract. I am passing through. That is illegal. Let me give you guys another example. So if I'm just on sam.gov, I click this random road maintenance one. It says total small business. I am a total small business. So I absolutely can do this contract because I am a total small business. Also, as well, if I call up a random company in New Mexico and they're a total small business, cool. Hey, can you guys do this road construction? Yeah, we can do it. Cool. Great. I can 100% subcontract out the work to them. They can do the work on my behalf. I am a total small business. I'm not passing through. I'm not looking for a woman owned company or Indian owned company or minority owned company and trying to use their set aside. When you're trying to use someone else's set aside, that is pass through. Okay? So let's make that a simple tip for today, guys. Understand what pass through actually is. Now you know what pass through actually is. And now you know what I teach people to do is not illegal. It's all about offering small businesses and even big businesses. Because also, one more thing, if this thing is blank, that means a big business can do it or a small business can do it. And I can work with whoever I want to work with. So if you're interested in finding out more on how to be a middleman in government contracting, check the link below. Get some information about the mentorship program, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.